Hi, this is Ross with DIY on the House. Today we're going to change the cabin air filter on a 2012 Dodge. So the cabin filters in this 2012 Dodge, the fitment range is from 2011 to 2017, and that also includes the Dodge Challenger and also the Chrysler 300. They're all pretty much the same car as far as the platform goes, and so you get a nice wide range of one filter, does all three cars for a wide number of years. The reason you need to annually change or every 12,000 miles change these filters is because the air that comes into the cabin on the HVAC system comes through the filter. If the filter's clogged, it stresses out the AC system, makes it work harder to pull in air and cool the cabin, and also it'll reduce your fuel economy. It's a cheap maintenance item to keep your car running efficiently. And it also keeps the dust and the pollen and everything out of the vehicle as well. The filter we're going to be using is Filtop. It's distributed by sunsetauto.com. The filter for the Charger, Challenger, and the Chrysler 300 is ACF 029, and that's an activated cabin filter. So I'm going to show you exactly how easy this is to install. I mean, it's a snap. All right, I popped the hood, and the filter location on these models is on the passenger side, right up here. Right here is the windshield, and the location is right here. You'll find two tabs. We're just going to pop those up. All right, so you can see the housing right here. So we're just going to pop that up. That's all there is to that, and keep that up. And then we're just going to yank out the old filter, and you can see how dirty it is. And that's because we live in the a rural area, a lot of dust. You can see all the dust in the engine compartment, and that's just part of our life. And so we know we have to change these filters quite often to make sure that we keep the pollen and the dust out of the car, that we don't have to clean it as much. So we're going to chuck that. Next thing we're going to do, I get my shop vac, and in the bottom of this tray, there's going to be a lot of dust, leaves, just anything and everything that compartment can suck into it, while it's running. It's just like an air filter on the motor. So I'm going to fire up my unit. All right, here's our side-by-side comparison, the new one versus the old. You can see that this thing has really dropped a lot of dust over the last year, and it is definitely due. So we'll stick this in. Now on the filter itself, you get the airflow arrows. So you have to make sure that this is facing the outside and this is facing the towards the inside of the vehicle. So we're just going to pop that up. We're going to insert our new filter. There's a couple grooves we want to hit and make sure that goes right down those. Just like that. And then we're going to take our cover and just pop it back down. And that is it. We'll replace our screen here. And that is it. I mean, it was that simple. All right, you can see how absolutely easy that was. It was a snap. A lot better than other vehicles I've had that you have to get around, mess around in the glove box and take this apart and this part. This just easy peasy. So my kudos to Dodge or Chrysler products. Again, this is a Filtop filter from sunsetauto.com. They were generous enough to give us this. So the filter looks great. It's a nice OE replacement. So I hope you liked the video. If you would, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, always comment. We'll be happy to get back with you. And thanks for watching DIY on the House.